Run your own podcast or shoot videos at your desk. Then check out today's digest. It has all the gadgets you need for a professional level home studio. As a content creator, it's up to you to create, promote, and ultimately sell your work. Whether you shoot makeup tutorials in your bedroom or TikTok videos in your basement, the right production tools are essential for taking your work to the next level. To help you find them, today we're highlighting some of the best content creator gadgets and accessories out there. Boasting an all-screen design with narrow borders and an all-aluminum enclosure, the Apple Studio display is gorgeous, but it's so much more than its looks. Enjoy its expansive 27 inches 5 Kelvin Retina display, which also has a 12MP ultra-wide camera with center stage. Running on Apple Silicon, it supports Dolby Atmos and has a 96-watt Thunderbolt port for peripherals. It even fast charges your 14 inches MacBook Pro and connects up to 3 studio displays to your MacBook Pro for an incredible setup. With a slim profile and stand that tilts up to 30 degrees, it comes with an optional height adjustable stand. Or choose a VESA adjuster option to mount it in landscape or portrait. Offering support for more than 1 billion colors, it also has an array of studio-quality mics for top-notch video conferencing. Finally, its a high-fidelity 6-speaker sound system has spatial audio. Take your home recordings to the next level with the Focusrite Scarlett 3rd Gen Complete Home Recording Studio. The Scarlett range consists of 2 complete recording bundles, Solo Studio and 2i2 Studio. There are also 6 standalone products for recording vocals and music on your own: Solo, 2i2, 4i4, 8i6, 18i8, and 18i20. What's more, with free plugins offering synths, preamps, drum machines, effects, and more, you have everything you need to capture your recordings and enhance their sound. Moreover, the Scarlett 3rd Gen inbuilt mic preamplifier automatically improves the sound. That way, you can concentrate on creating your music without worrying about your recording equipment. Furthermore, the Air features add brightness to your guitars and vocals. Best of all, this music creation gadget is easy to use, and you can operate the Scarlett 3rd Gen interface from your PC, Mac, iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. Enhance your appearance for video conferences or live broadcasts with the Lume Cube Edge USB desk light, or use it as additional lighting surrounding your computer when you're working. The Lume Cube Edge USB desk light helps you to look your best while enhancing your space. All the while, it uses edge-lit technology to transform hard lighting into soft illumination without compromising on brightness. You can even alter the color temperature and brightness to transform your work area into a more positive space. Moreover, conveniently attach it to any desk with a thickness of up to 2.5 inches and 5 pivot points for maximum flexibility. Finally, you can even charge multiple devices via the built-in USB and USB-C charging ports to power your gadgets. Elevate your microphone while filming videos with the Elgato Wave Mic Arm suspension device. It provides 360-degree rotation for maximum flexibility, while the ball head ensures precise microphone positioning. This suspension device also includes a padded clamp that fits most desks without damaging the surface. Therefore, you can just add your microphone and begin recording. Moreover, the Elgato Wave Mic Arm provides the perfect balance, so you'll have peace of mind that your microphone won't go anywhere. That includes even when you make adjustments. Compatible with microphones weighing up to 1,000 grams and featuring a vertical reach of 29.5 inches. It's the ideal solution to recording. Overall, its durable design makes it built for the part, and it's something that every content creator needs. Optimize your production with the Razer All-in-One Audio Mixer. It's an easy-to-use gadget for broadcasting and streaming that provides total control over your mix for studio-like quality. Whether you're a single or dual PC user, the Razer All-in-One Audio Mixer eliminates the need for cables and hardware. Best of all, with Razer Synapse, you can manage your audio mixing and mapping in one place with no fuss. Moreover, this gadget features a 4-channel interface with 1 direct line out for your microphone and 3 other channels. As a result, you get the perfect mixture between microphone, gaming, music, chats, and system volume. It even includes dedicated mute audio buttons or hold the button to activate built-in voice modification settings. Finally, this mixer takes only a few minutes to set up. Simply hook it up to your PC and assign your desired programs to each channel via Razer Synapse. Create content for podcasts, music, live streaming, and more with the RØDE RØDECaster Pro II audio production studio. It features ultra-low noise, high-gain revolution preamps to deliver exceptional audio quality with clarity and transparency. It also has studio-quality effects audio processing for unmatched audio quality. Furthermore, this music gadget includes a high-performance quad-core audio engine to process more power than other creation consoles. You'll also receive powerful onboard effects including echo, robot, pitch shifting, reverb, and more. As a result, it unlocks a range of creative possibilities, whether you're a beginner or advanced. Moreover, this audio production studio comes with 8 programmable smart pads for voice effects, triggering sounds, voice effects, and more. Finally, it utilizes Bluetooth connectivity for high-quality phone call integration and wireless monitoring. Ensure your videos look amazing with the Elgato Facecam Pro webcam. This computer gadget comes with a professional-level Elgato Prime lens. It consists of 8 elements and has an f/2.4 aperture and 24mm focal length. Also, the cutting-edge Sony STARVIS CMOS sensor is ideal for indoor use. It captures impressive detail and minimal noise. Even better, an ultra-fast processor along with manual controls help you create the look you're going for. Moreover, the camera hub lets you get the perfect shot in an instant. Furthermore, the flash memory drive saves all your settings for instant recall when you switch computers or operating systems. Additionally, with an 82-degree field of view, it lets you get up close or fit your surroundings in a frame. Finally, with high-speed circuitry like a USB 3.0 interface and a USB-C connector, it ensures you can expect fast transfers and plug-and-play convenience. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.